Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer. Welcome back if you're returning, and hi if you haven't been here before. So today I'm going to be doing the April Boxycharm unboxing. Sorry to all my subscribers that I've been away for a while. Sickness has just been running through the house, and allergies definitely. So since we moved, this is a whole new experience for us. So that's why I've been away and not have made any videos. But I got this in the mail yesterday, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So let's open it. Let's see if I can open it. There we go. So, Boxycharm, and the theme is peace, love, and boxy. So this card here has a theme to it. It always has a nice picture of the theme, and on the back has all the prices and descriptions of the items in the box. So the first thing that caught my attention is this Appeal Holographic lip gloss. Let's see what it says about it. Deliver intense holographic shine to your lips with this Appeal Cosmetics exclusive launch. The holographic lip gloss works well alone on top of your favorite lippy, giving it a multi-dimensional argan oil infused shine. And this is $21. Let's see if I can open it and give you guys a little swatch, because this looks very, very glittery. So let's see here. So it's pretty clear. Oh yeah, and then when the light hits it, it's really kind of too blinding, but you can see the glitter there. So that's the first item. The next item that I see here is a CHELLA Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So let's see. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows, and with its creamy consistency and built-in brush, the velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. And this is $26. So let's see here. Oh, here's the brush. And then, okay, and then this, and it's like deep in there. So you really do have to use this brush to get it out. So let's see if I can get some on this brush. Show you guys the color here. So there's the color. When you blend it out, it gets a little lighter. But there's the color. So this is really interesting to me, because it really is, you can't use, well, you might be able to use your brush that you have on the end of your spoolie or whatever, but this is interesting. And how did I say? $26. Next we have this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. It says that it's a loose highlighter. Let's see, this all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose powder highlight can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. The versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. And this is $27. So let's see here. Let's see if I can open it. I was watching some unboxings and they were having difficulties opening it. Oh, I hate these. Here we go. I should be able to get it right here without any problems. Hopefully. Ah, there we go. So I'm just going to get some on my finger there, and let's see if it'll focus. It's right next to right there. Let's see if I change my light. Let's show us the high. Let's see. Oh, it's not really showing up there, is it? If I turn my hand. Nope, there, right there. So it looks very gold in the container here. Let's see. Very gold. But then it shears out on your hand. So that's probably why you can layer it. Right, and this was $27. Next, we have LUXIE brushes. These are kind of my favorite things to get are brushes. So, let's read about the LUXIE Summer Days 3-piece brush set was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Using the LUXIE 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the LUXIE, so let's see, 512. This one for your cheekbones, while the LUXIE 245 small shader brush is perfect to pat on your base, shadow, and glitter. Grab the LUXIE 209 large shader brush. Sorry guys, to pat on and blend out an eye look. This is pretty big for an eye. Tell me what y'all think. I think that's kind of big for doing your eyes. Oh, maybe if you're doing your base, maybe. I dropped one. Hold on. Okay. So this is like a packer brush. I like these for getting your shimmer shade on, or I've been using Stila Wanderlust, and I use that to shape it. And here's it's just a little face brush that you could probably use for some blush. Do a little contour, maybe pat on your highlight. And those are $28 for the 3 of them. And last but not least, we have a palette from Pure. It says Pure, the Complexion Authority. Oh man. Okay, let's read about Unleash the Ultimate Festival Vibes with the limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold. Imaginative, that's a big word. Pigments that elevate your look for any occasion, from boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters. Each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. So I opened the box and this came out. This is, here, let's see. It's a Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. So, nice little foil packet that came with it. There's enough for maybe one-time use. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I think the theme for this was Coachella. If you look on their Instagram and Facebook, that is what they got going on there. Let me fix this. Sorry guys, this is my first time with this. This is my new light and phone stand with my microphone, so hopefully you guys can hear me really well. So here it is, and let's open it up and let's get this off, and here you go. Look at that. Wow, that is festive. So let's take a look here. We got, this looks like a glitter. This looks like a glitter. This is a glitter. Probably shimmer. Shimmer, 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 shimmer. So you got 4 mattes. And then the rest are shimmery shades. Let's see. Let's swatch a few. Let's do this pink and this purple. And the pink is called Wild Child. The purple is called Gypsy. This 24 Karat Magic and Good Vibes. So I got this one. Let's see, this one, this one, this one, and then this one. So let's just swatch them. Wow, look at that. That has like a sticky feel to it, but it's probably because it's glitter. It's some kind of sticky. And this purple is pretty nice. Not as shimmery when you blend it out. This pink is nice though. And then this Good Vibes. I mean, it's all creamy, but this one is what surprises me. I mean, look at that. There we go, guys. So this palette is $36. It comes with a decent size mirror. See my light? Decent size mirror. Oh, that's gonna be fun to play with. It definitely has some summer vibes there. Alright, so if I look at it, let me see if I can do this math in my head. 36 and 28 is 54 plus 27 is 5, 6, 81, 102, 128 if I did my math correctly in my head. So all of this in this box is worth $128, and that's not bad for a $21 box. And with these boxes, it's really just, are you going to be able to use it for yourself and tell the worth? Like the brushes I'll use, this highlight I will probably use, the lip gloss I'll try. I'm not a lip gloss person. The palette I will use 1, 2, 3, 4. The only thing I probably am sketch about is this eyebrow cream. I don't know, I don't usually do my eyebrows, and if I do, they come out really crazy, so I don't do it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.